In the world of maintenance management, chaos can often be the norm. A never-ending stream of work orders, equipment breakdowns, and maintenance requests can overwhelm even the most organized teams. What if we could turn chaos into clarity? Streamline work order management, boost efficiency, and empower maintenance teams to work smarter, not harder. Introducing Cryotos CMMS, the game changer for maintenance professionals. CMMS stands for Computerized Maintenance Management System, and it's the secret weapon for organizing work orders and revolutionizing maintenance management. With Cryotos CMMS software, we've gone from drowning in paperwork to having everything at our fingertips. It has truly transformed the way we manage work orders. So, how does Cryotos CMMS work its magic? Let's explore some of its key features. Cryotos allows you to create work orders with just a few clicks, capturing all the necessary details. From asset information to priority levels, you can input and track every aspect of the work order lifecycle. Cryotos CMMS software keeps track of your assets and inventory, allowing you to manage them efficiently. From preventive maintenance schedules to spare part inventory, you'll have complete visibility and control. Cryotos CMMS provides powerful data analytics and reporting capabilities. With customizable dashboards and insightful reports, you can make data-driven decisions, identify trends, and optimize your maintenance processes. From chaos to clarity, Cryotos CMMS software empowers maintenance teams to work smarter, improve productivity, and enhance asset performance. It's time to leave behind the chaos and embrace a new era of organized maintenance management. Discover the power of Cryotos CMMS software today.